Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or crushing ice for cocktails, having the right blender can make all the difference. Today, I'm going to share my top 5 picks for the best blenders available on Amazon right now. We'll go through each product one by one, covering their pros, cons, and why you should consider buying them. So, let's get blending. Number 1. Vitamix 5200 Blender. This is a professional-grade blender that's a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. Powerful motor that can handle anything from smoothies to hot soups. Durable, high-quality build designed to last for years. Large 64-ounce container perfect for family-sized batches. Expensive compared to other blenders on this list. Bulky design takes up more counter space. Why you should buy it? If you want a top-of-the-line blender that can do it all, from silky smoothies to nut butters and even dough, the Vitamix 5200 is worth the investment. It's built to last and delivers unmatched performance. Number 2. Ninja Professional BL610 Countertop Blender. This is a great mid-range option for everyday blending needs. 1100 watt motor with total crushing technology for ice and frozen ingredients. 3 speed settings plus a pulse function for versatility. 72-ounce pitcher ideal for making large batches. Cons. Not as powerful as higher-end models like Vitamix. Loud operation compared to quieter blenders. Why you should buy it? For its price, the Ninja Professional BL610 offers incredible value. If you need a reliable blender for smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks, this is a solid choice. Number 3. Blendtec Classic 575 Blender. This is another high-performance blender with smart features. Pros. Pre-programmed cycles for smoothies, soups, dips, and more. Powerful motor with noise reduction technology. Self-cleaning function makes cleanup a breeze. Cons. Expensive compared to basic models. Smaller 68-ounce jar may not be ideal for large families. Why you should buy it? If you want a blender with smart features and quiet operation, the Blendtec Classic 575 is a great option. It's perfect for busy households that value convenience and performance. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Multifunction Blender Host. Fourth on our list is the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Multifunction Blender. This is an affordable yet reliable option for basic blending tasks. Pros. Affordable price point without sacrificing too much power. 1200 watt motor handles most blending jobs well. Easy to use interface with 2 speed settings and pulse function. Cons. Not suitable for heavy-duty tasks like grinding nuts or kneading dough. Plastic jar may feel less durable compared to glass options. Why you should buy it? If you're on a budget but still want a dependable blender for everyday use, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite is a great pick. It's simple, functional, and gets the job done. Number 5. NutriBullet Pro 900 Series Blender Host. Last but not least, we have the NutriBullet Pro 900 Series Blender. This compact blender is perfect for personal-sized smoothies and health-conscious users. Pros. Compact design saves counter space and is easy to store. Powerful 900 watt motor blends fruits, veggies, and ice effortlessly. Comes with multiple cups for single-serving smoothies. Cons. Small capacity, only suitable for individual servings. No advanced settings or pre-programmed functions. Why you should buy it? If you're looking for a quick and easy way to make healthy smoothies or protein shakes, the NutriBullet Pro 900 is perfect. It's portable, efficient, and great for solo users or couples. And there you have it, my top 5 picks for the best blenders available right now. Whether you're looking for professional grade power or something simple and affordable, these options cover all your blending needs. Which one are you planning to add to your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.